Hello YouTube, I'm working on this Maytag washer, little newer style controls and motherboard inside. The simple diagnostics that you might be used to and calibrate and all that seem to have changed. So I found this to be somewhat similar to the old method, but calibration and whatnot is very different. This one had, it wasn't draining, and come to find out, I found the black and white and a bluish turquoise wire on the motherboard that was feeding down there. And I was getting voltage at that motherboard, but not down below. We tried continuity on the black and the white, and there was no continuity. So we replaced it, that one wire, but the black and white feeds something else down there. So once I reconnected the black and white in with where I had repaired, had a junction with another wire going down below, then it started working again. So you might keep that in mind if you have a drain problem and you're not getting voltage down there. I don't know where all this black and white wire goes, but somewhere it seems to have failed. So if you're going to replace it top to bottom, you have to remember there's also some other circuitry down there that's relying apparently on that black and white wire. Hope this helps somebody. You can go to Ben's Appliances. He's got a great video on getting into some of the diagnostic mode and or more so the reset and recalibrate. So hope this helps. Bye.